Yes then, here we go again, aiming for 350 brake horsepower. Let's see what she says.
Hello, Chief.
Hello mate, what are we aiming for today?
355, 360.
355, see I said 350 and obviously you were going to go more than that.
Yeah, hopefully.
She's looking good mate. What have you changed since last time?
Mildly ported head.
Yeah.
Complete refresh, I've actually got a new engine in it.
Yeah.
Bit more boost, bit more fuel.
So what turbo is she on? What injectors?
2260 DKLR.
Yeah.
100% injectors.
Yeah.
Piper 9.8mm cam. That's it. Stock block, stock pistons.
Pegasus map.
Pegasus map.
You know it.
Yeah.
Awesome man, I'm looking forward to it. Let's get your form filled in, you know, just in case.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You won't stop and look around once in a while. You could miss it.
So before we start with Connor's awesome VRS, it's important to realise that these Pegasus lads that are mapping these and do a lot of good work are customers of Dynodaze, the regulars down here. So we can always overlay graphs. So we can see on the screen at the moment, we've got a couple of different versions of Connor's car in various formats. Some of them making, or his last run, making 343 brake horsepower, and some of his previous runs down at like 278 brake horsepower, but various different stages of tuning on Connor's car. And today he's aiming for over 350 brake. He's actually put 345 brake horsepower down here to be conservative, but we know what he's like and he wants 350. He's not going to be happy without it. So let's put it on the dyno and let's overlay his last run to today's run and see what sort of gains he's got. There we go. Guess who's back? Back again. There she has it. Close but no cigar, Connor. 335 brake horsepower, 406 foot-pound. It's close. It's only 10 brake horsepower off what you're expecting, or what you wrote down on that sheet.
Hello, but wanted more.
Don't we all?
I think I know what the problem is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What you reckon?
I've not checked my timing since doing the cam new engine and all that, so.
Oh, okay.
Rookie mistake.
Schoolboy error.
It's still quick.
It's all good, mate. It's still quick.
The wheels, isn't it?
So we'll see you next Saturday then.
Yeah.
Yeah, good man. Good man.
Yeah.
Good man.
We'll be back.
Hey, get that file done on this car. That was quick, Connor. You're back. So what have you done?
Sorted the timing out. Like Mr. Jason sorted the timing out. It was 3.3 degrees advanced, so took it back to 0. Hopefully that should give us the 20 brake.
So back on the rollers. Jason, how come you work harder on a Saturday than you do all week for me? What's he about? Get paid more. Right, back on the dyno we go. Well, Connor's a happy boy. And he's made 352 brake and 435 foot-pound of torque. It's pretty good going for a Fab.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through.